Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and today I'm back for another budget video, and this time we are going to be doing a closeout for our second paycheck for the month of January. So basically this is going to be closing out our January budget. Already February, y'all. Already. It's so wild to think like this. January seemed to go by so slowly, but then it was just like, boop, it's over, it's done. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up so we can move forward, and get things going for our February budget. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in just one moment. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got here. We've already got our previous budget already done. So we had 15 that I had taken out extra for entertainment. We did our 300 for our envelopes. We did 257 for sinking funds. Lawn service. Okay, let's talk about lawn service. At first I was like, oh, I didn't use anything for lawn service. But then if you know anything about DFW, this week when I'm filming this is the weekend that we're having our winter storm. So I have bought some things for the house. So at first I was like, oh, I'll just take all of that out of my house emergency fund. But then I was like, that doesn't, or I think it was house maintenance. Yeah, house maintenance fund. But then I was like, I'm not really using any of the lawn service, so I should use the lawn service to offset some of the costs. So I bought some wood just in case the lights go out or anything like that. I had to buy the faucet covers for the outside of the house so that it would keep those insulated and warm. And I think that's pretty much everything I bought, but the wood was a little pricey. So I put 70 towards lawn, even though we didn't necessarily use it. I also put down like a house. And then AT&T was $70.98. Geico was its usual, well, no, it was a little less. It was $172.76. T-Mobile was $180.25. Gym was $10.81. Netflix was $15.14. And I did get that message that my Netflix would be going up, but it doesn't seem like it's going to go up that much. So I might need to raise it like $1 in my next one. Emergency savings, I put 100. And I had to go check because it turns out my deposit amounts were not correct at the time. I needed to change them up. I didn't have them in the right place where they were supposed to be at. So, look at that. What a mess. Okay, anyways. House maintenance was 60. Then we had... Sorry, I got distracted. Then we had house emergencies, which got $10, which is, again, something I had to go in and check and make sure it was right. I have expense transfer, which was 40, which is actually taking over for security savings, so 40. Then we have Visa, which was 160. Car emergency / new car, which was 15. I actually did end up spending the $40 for NTTA. Amazon Music is $9. Investment was 10. Giving was 20. Date, I did end up spending the total 80 for date. And in fact, I spent way more than that because we took a last minute trip to Las Vegas. And so I spent a little bit of money, but not what I probably could have because Vegas is expensive. I will have like a couple of snippets of things from what we did when we were there, but it's not a full vlog, and it's definitely not a like come visit Vegas because I wanted to enjoy myself and not get caught up in all the foolishness. And then I put 20 towards student loans, and then hexes and hearts. I did not end up actually taking any of that out, but I'm going to set it aside. So I'm going to do the 133 like I actually did spend it. So let's go ahead and add all of that up so we can see if we have anything left over. And I think it's a very small amount that I have left over this time. So we probably will not be having a large amount to put in other places, but I'm glad that I had so many areas that had more. I had more money to put there because it really helped balance out some of the spending that I had to do. 172.76 for Geico, plus 180.25 for T-Mobile, $10.81 for gym, $15.14 for Netflix, 100 for emergency savings, 60 for house maintenance, 10 for house emergencies, 40 for transfer, 160 for Visa, 15 for car emergencies and new car. NTTA got 40, Amazon got 9, investment got 10, giving had 20, 80 for date, 20 for student loans, and then 133, there we go, 133 for hexes and hearts ball, and that gives us a total of 1788.94. And from our total there, 1798 minus 1788.94 gives us $9.00 left over. And I decided to just go ahead and count that as a credit to my account and zero that out. So I'm not going to actually be moving anything over into any of the other accounts or anything like that like I usually do. I want to go ahead and just leave a little bit there because I've been moving and running around so much. I'm like, it's just $9. I would either be pulling it out to make an extra debt payment or something of that nature. So that is going to be it. We're closed out and we are done with the month of January. So I believe the February Paycheck 1 video is already posted. And if you can already believe it is time to start working on the rest of the month. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great month. Stay safe if y'all are going to be in any type of hazardous weather. I know that there are snowstorms and cool fronts and all types of things going on across the country. So take care of yourself, y'all. And I will see y'all later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.